Call Me Maybe
by Little Kitty Cat Elizabeth Carter, number 5.
Woohoo! I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I'll tell you as I felt tonight and now. I showed myself for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I didn't know I would feel it, but in my way. Your stare was holding, edgy and scary, showing highlight where we're going. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's right. Actually, baby, it's fine. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Boy, you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. So call me